Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how does Google Authenticator works. So Google Authenticator enhances online security by adding a second layer of verification to a login process. Instead of just password, it requires a time-based one-time password and generates by the app on your devices. So this app works even without a network connection, providing a secure and a convenient way to protect your account. So basically, if you want to enable Google Authenticator, it must be inbuilt in your device. So log in or locate Google Authenticator, and after which, what you want to do is here, you simply want to make sure to go ahead and create your account, all that thing, and you would select the app that you want to generate or that you want to use Google Authenticator for. So basically, it's going to help you out to protect your account, and that is basically how does a Google Authenticator works. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.